Hello my dear children. Are you ready for the session? Yes. All of you sit straight. Keep your backbone straight. And keep your eyes straight to your gadget. Okay, enough. So in last class, what you studied? Yes, the 5-digit number. 5-digit number comes under which period? It comes under, say loudly, comes under 1000 period. Okay. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? Yes, 1000. Do you know which is the greatest 5-digit number? Which is the greatest 5-digit number? Yes, it is 99,999. Yes, it is the greatest 5-digit number. What we will get when 1 is added to this greatest 5-digit number? Let's find out. We know that 99,999. On adding 1, we will get 9 plus 1, 10. Remainder 1, 10. Remainder 1, 10. Remainder 1, 10. Remainder 1, 10. Now we got how many digits? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. When 1 added to greatest 5-digit number, we will get the smallest 6-digit number. Can you write the place value of this number?
The excess place lakh comes left to 1000, and so it is the lakh place.
And now, which all period we studied? The period ones period. Ones period comes under, yes, ones, tens, hundreds. And next period is the 1000 period, and it has 1000 and 10,000. And next period is the lakh period. Do you all got the idea? Okay. Look here. Shall we consider the number 4,35,769? How will you find the place value of this number? This is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So I have made arrangement for the number. Look here.
Here the number 9 comes under the place ones, 6 is in the place tens, 7 is in the place hundreds, 5 in the place 1000, 3 in 10,000 place, and 4 in the lakh place. So which all period they come under? 4 in the lakh period, 3 in the 3 and 5 in the 1000 period, 7, 6, 9 in the ones period.
Now, look, this is the number 435,769. I am shuffling this number. 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 9. Are these numbers the same? Both have 6 digits. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only interchange the number in the lakhs place. Do these numbers are same? Look here. This is lakh, 10,000, 1,000. Here the 3 comes under 10,000 place. When I am changing this 4 to the 10,000 and 3 to lakh, is the numbers are same? No. Why? Because here it is 3 lakh and the previous number it was 4 lakh. So the numbers are different. Their position became changed and so the place value changed. Here 3 lakh and there it was 4 lakh. So you got the idea. The position is always important. The position is important. Look here. How will you find out the place value of this number? This is in the ones place. So 9 into 1. This is as it comes, as the 6 comes under the tens place, we have to multiply 6 into 10. That is 60 is the place value. Here it is 7 into 100. 700 is the place value. Here 5 into 1000. So 5000 is the place value. Here, come on children. Here 4, 10,000. So 40,000 is the place value. Here it is lakh. So 3 lakh is the place value. 3 lakh is the place value. And here what's the place value of 3? It is 30,000. Here the place value of 3 is 3 lakh. So from this you know the number when we interchange the numbers, there will be difference in the position of the values. All got the idea? Okay. Then how will you represent these numbers on the abacus? It is very easy. Even it is a 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7 or 8 or 9. We can represent it on abacus. How will you? Look here. This is the number. I will show you how you can represent the number on the abacus. First of all, you have to draw the periods or the places of the numbers. Have to draw the, not the periods, the places. Ones place, then tens place, then hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and finally the lakh period. Lakh place. How many ones in ones place? 9. So you have to draw 9 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is very easy. Here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in hundreds place how many beads? Yes, 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads. Then in the thousand place, can you name how many beads comes under the thousand place? Yes, as it is 5 here, we can draw 5 beads in the thousand place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look here. What the number in the 10,000 place? Yes, it is 4. So we can draw 4 beads in the 10,000 place. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Then look at the place lakh. How many beads come under this place? Yes, it is 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So like this, we can represent the number 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit number, 8-digit number, and so on.
Kids, let us learn to write the number names. Look at the first number. How many periods are there? There are 3 periods. Look at the periods. Ones period, 1000 period, and a lakh period. So the answer is 4 lakh. 1000 place 51. So 51,000 and last 601. Then look at the next number. What is the number name? How will you write this? There are 3 periods. Ones, 1000, lakh. Look at the places. Ones place there is 0. Tens place 0. Hundreds place 4. 1000 place there is 1. 10,000 place it is 0. And lakh place it is 7. 7. So, what is the number name? 7 lakh 1,400. Do you got the idea?
Children, next we are going to study when a number name is given, you have to write the number. Look at the first question, 47,924. How will you write the number? First, you have to look the number in the ones place. Which is the number in the ones place? Look at the question, 924. So 4 in the ones place, tens place it is given 20, 24. So 2 in the tens place, 900. So 9 in the hundreds place. Then look at the 1000 place, 10,000 place, 47,000. So 7 in 1000 place and 4 in 10,000 place. So the number is 47,924. You got the number? Look at the second number, 7,01,203. How will you write the number? From ones place we can write. It is given, ones period it is given 203. 203. Hundreds place is given, ones place is given, tens place is missing. So we can write 3 in ones place, 0 in the tens place as the tens place is missing here. Then 2 in the hundreds place. Then look at the 1000 period, 1000. There is no 10,000 there. It is missing. So 1000 place 1. 10,000 place you put 0. Then look at the lakh period, 7 lakh. So you put 7 in the lakh period, lakh place. So then the number, we can write the number as 7 lakh 1,203. You got the number? Like this, you can write the number when the corresponding number names are given. Children, how will you write when the place value of a number is given? Look at the question. 6 10,000 plus 6 tens plus 5 ones. How will you calculate? We know that 6 10,000 means 6 into 10,000, that is 60,000. 6 tens is 60 and 5 ones are 5. So how will you write the answer 60,065 as
1000 place and 100 place are not given, we put 0 there. Look at the next question. 8000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 5. How will you find the answer? It is very easy to find the answer. First, you have to find the number in ones place 5. Tens place it is 7. Hundreds place 6. And right number in the 1000 place 8. So the number is 8675. Like this you can write all the numbers. Okay. Kids, before winding up, what are we studied today? Place value, abacus representation, to write number name and to identify the number.
Now it's time to wind up the class. Thank you all. Have a good day.